To transfer money using the SWIFT system, start by visiting your nearest bank branch and proceeding to the customer service help desk. Inform the agent that you would like to make a SWIFT transaction, and they will provide you with a form to complete. This form will require the recipient's details, including their full name, the name and address of their bank and branch, their SWIFT or BIC code, account number, the amount you wish to transfer, and the ABA number. Once you have filled out the form, submit it to the agent along with your payment details. The agent will then initiate the transfer, and upon its successful completion, you will receive a notification. The duration of a SWIFT transfer can vary, taking anywhere from a few hours to several days, depending on the bank's processing time. Additionally, the cost of a SWIFT transfer is typically determined by your bank and usually ranges from 2 to 5% of the bank's exchange rate. Overall, transferring money with SWIFT is a relatively straightforward process.